You're supposed to run and not think, Mr. Sinha. Try to catch up. Hey, stupid Siddhant Sinha! I'm here. Well, if you catch me today, you name a friend and I will send you on a date with her. No, Siddhant, you cannot get to me even if you want to. I have gone away from you forever.
Anushka!
Dad?
Welcome!
Dad?
Welcome! Why did you stop?
Dad, I'm all sweaty and a dust with it.
Come. I managed to find a diamond from a coal mine, my dear. I know even if there is dust, the diamond will still shine. Right?
Your dialogues have started off in the morning itself, in a superstar style.
Oh, not Rajnikant style. KK style. Come. Would you like some tea?
No. Noor, order a cup of tea.
No. KK won't have it either if you won't. You know one thing. Consuming ginger is beneficial during illness. Ginger tea.
Noor, order 2 cups of ginger tea.
Should we get to business? If discussion about tea is over?
I'm waiting for only that. But you are not saying anything. I have given that,
Proposal.
the proposal.
This. Is that the proposal? What do you think I am?
Partner?
That doesn't seem so. By looking at that proposal, it looks like I'll end up becoming your employee.
Mr. Goyal, this project needs a face. And you can't find a greater face than Krishnakant Reddy.
You keep quiet. Whatever you might be for KK, but you are just an employee to me.
You cannot talk to Prabhakar like that.
You know what? I can talk to anyone the way I please.
Yes, you can. The deal is off. KK will not make the deal with you.
KK,
I won't.
That's fine. I'm not eager about this either.
Out. Out.
KK.
Business deals come and go. It's temporary. Relationships permanent.
KK, I feel I don't know you yet.
Whatever you know, that's enough, huh? Yeah. Ginger tea,
Thank you.
huh?
Dad,
A good sign.
Anushka? Wow.
I had told you, Anushka is here.
What? When did you tell me that?
You don't pay attention to anything but work. You must have forgotten.
What?
forget about it. I know the both of you.
Ah,
10 culprits may get away, but
But an innocent must never be imprisoned.
yes, criminal law.
William Blackstone, 1760.
Yes. Hey, no need of that.
hey, let her touch your feet. One must not forget the traditions.
Right.
Ah,
She hasn't forgotten anything. She remembered everything.
she has studied abroad. I had asked you to send Siddhant there as well.
I could do nothing. Siddhant refused to go.
भूलू कैसे बीती बातें ढूंढे तुझको भीगी आंखें गूंजती कानों में अब तक बस तेरी आवाज है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है
I'm glad that you came. Everyone will be very pleased. Did you inform Siddhant? He will be very happy to know.
I never want to see your face again. Stop me, Siddhant. If I leave today, then you will never be able to bring me back. No, how is Siddhant?
He is fine.
I'm very excited to see him.